Ang Jordan
Clarkson.
Jordan Clarkson ang Mandaluyong City! Oo, pumunta siya dito. Sabi niya, kalok-alike niya daw si Jordan Clarkson.
Yeah.
May dumating, kalok-alike mo naman daw siya.
Sino?
Pasok!
Ayan, kalok-alike mo!
Ayan! Yung bola.
Yung bola, bigay mo yung bola. Nasa yung bola.
Ito.
Ayan, yung bola.
Ayan.
Bigay mo sa kanya yung bola. Bigay mo sa kanya. Kailangan depensahan mo, ha? Go!
May hinihingal na.
Hinihingal pala yung baklang kamyas, no? Mukha kang kamyas ngayon.
Kala ko naman si Slimer.
Sinusuportahan mo ba siya talaga?
Alam mo naman ako, mahilig ako sa basketball, ate.
Basketball.
When she learned that you would be here, she's thankful. She's thankful. Yeah. You say hi to him.
Hi. Nice meeting you.
I'm Jordan Clarkson.
And this is LeBron James.
What's your name?
LeBron.
LeBron James.
Hey, LeBron, are you single?
Super single. Yeah. And I think I deserve it.
Super single. Okay. Thank you very much.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Nice to meet you again,
Thank you for
LeBron James.
She will wait for you there, ha? After the show daw. She wants to talk to you.
Ate, Vice Comedy Club, nandun po ako. Punta ka lang.
Ganyan.
Dami namang
Salamat. Okay.
This is Jordan Clarkson, half Filipino. Kaya marunong mag-Tagalog.
Yeah, we're very proud of Jordan because he represented the Philippines.
Yes, Gilas.
He became a member of Gilas Philippines.
Yeah.
Puso.
He left the NBA for a while to be part of the Philippine team.
To support.
That's so noble of you. Thank you very much.
And not only
of
that,
course.
I know that you opened this Carinderia in your place, di ba? Because of that hurricane, remember?
Yes, of course. I want to help the people. I cannot let the people suffer alone. So at least I like to help.
Yan eh.
Yeah, I like to help my community.
That's nice.
Thank you very much for not forgetting about the Filipinos.
Yes.
Yeah. What can you